Hello, welcome back to this Django e-commerce series. In the previous video, we have created this product detail template and we have created this review rating system whereby the user can review the product and then submit. And we have also integrated the review percentage calculation system. So in this video, we want to create a messages.html file whenever the user submits this, we get a message. If we can go back to our views, can see we are using messages.success. So we want to be able to see these messages whenever the user submits them. So to do that, we have to go to templates folder, and inside template folder I like to create a folder called includes and then include that file in our base.html. So in our templates, let us create a folder called includes, and inside that folder we need to create a file called messages.html. So now let us create a messages file. So first thing we need to do is load static, and then now we need to check if the messages are available. So we'll say if messages, and let us close the if statement. So we'll say and if, and then now let me create a div, and then inside our div we will have we will look through the messages. So we'll say for message, in messages say let us close the for loop. So we'll say end for, and then here we have three types of messages. We have success message, we have a warning message, and then we have an error message. Okay, so let's start with success message. So inside there, let me comment and say success message start. Now let us open another div, and inside that div, let us check the tag of the message and say if message dot tags equals to success. Let me close this and if. So inside there, we want to display the message. So let me open a div class. Then inside that div class, let's have a paragraph, a success message, and then let us have this is span, and now we display the message, and here will be the end of our. Here we'll have success message and success message. Now let's see if this is working. Let's go back to our. Let me log in as admin since we have not created authentication system. So I have to log in as admin. Now we'll be able to give. So let's see if it's working. Now once we have done this, to see if it's working, we have to include these messages.html in our base.html. So let's go to the templates and base.html, and just above our block content, let us include that. Say include, and then let includes messages.html. Okay. So we have included our messages in our all of our templates, since all of our templates are inheriting these base.html. So let's try to see if it's working. So let me refresh this, and then let us give a review. We are given one. Let me give a 5-star review and then submit. You can see we have here a success message. Thank you, your review has been updated. So let us style this review now so that it looks nice. Okay. Let us style this message so that it looks nice. So let's start with this the first div. So we'll say class equals to, let's have a space of y-axis, to be 6. Let's have a font be sans serif, and then let's have a space of x-axis, so space of x-axis to be 6. And then now let's style this second div inside our for loop. So let's have a class, that class say to be relative, then flex. Let's have a mean height of 60 pixels. Let us have a overflow hidden, rounded to be large. Let's have a border, okay, and let us have a border color of green, and then let us have a background of white. So background white, text green 100. And now let us style the inner part of the tag. So this div, let's style it, a class, say it is flex, and flex call. Let's justify everything to be center. Let's have a padding of x-axis to be 4, padding of y-axis to be 1. Now let us style our message, say class. Let's have a margin bottom of 0.5, margin right to be 4. Let's have a text to be small, font to bold, and then let's have a spam plus let's have the text size to be small. Now let's see how it looks again. Go back and try to give a review rating. We have selected 2 stars and say nice product, and then submit. You can see it looks much a little bit better. Now you can see we have a success message. Thank you. Looks better. Now let's do the same for the warning message. Let's have a warning message. Say warning message that says, let us copy these. Okay, before we copy these, we need to add a role inside our message tags. Here, let's add a role. So here, let's say role equals to alert. So let us copy now. So we have to copy all of these. Let's copy these and then let us paste this, and now this one will be warning, and then for message tags to be warning. So this will be warning, and here will be a warning message, then this will be, so this will be a warning message. And now the last part we need to do is as well handle error message. So below that we paste the same, and here will be error, and the tag here will be error message, and here is error. Yes, and then here we need to change to. So we have to change these borders. So for error message, we expect the border to be red. So we'll change this to be red, and then we as well change the text to be red. The role will maintain. And for the warning message, this will be yellow. So we'll have this yellow, and then the text will be yellow as well. So let's see how it looks. So let us give a review and see how we had given it two reviews. Okay, so you can see, give it a 3-star rating and then submit. You can see we have this showing up nicely. So we have this showing up nicely. I don't know why these two are showing up, but let's check it out again. Let's see why these 2 are showing up. So let's change these, remove these from inside here. Let us place these outside. So let's copy this and paste it here. Remove these. Paste it there. Let's do the same for this so that we don't display all the borders at once. So let us cut it, paste it like that. Paste X, paste it. The same thing for this, paste it. So what we are trying, we want to show only the message, so that we don't want to show all these 3 messages. So let us refresh and try to submit again. Submit. You can see now we have one message showing nicely. So that is all for this video. In the next video, we'll be creating an app bar. So thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to this channel and also turn on the notification so that whenever I post, you're the first one to see. Make this channel grow. Bye bye. See you in the next video.